Navratri. Navratri is one of the most significant festivals of the Hindus. This is also one of the most ancient festivals dating back to the times immemorable. Navratri is a 9-day festival dedicated to goddess Durga. The word Navratri in Sanskrit means 9 nights. For the 9 days, 9 forms of Ma Durga are worshipped. Navratri generally falls 4 times a year, but only 2, that is, Chaitra Navratri, which falls in March or April, and Sharad Navratri, which falls in September or October, are celebrated widely with grandeur. The Shardiya Navratri, celebrated during autumn, are one of the most awaited ones. This year, Shardiya Navratri have commenced on October 7, 2021 and will end on October 14, 2021. This will be followed by Vijayadashmi on October 15, 2021. Shardiya Navratri falls in the auspicious month of Ashwin as per the Hindu calendar. Now, I will tell you why the festival is celebrated. Navratri or Mahanavratri symbolizes the victory of good over evil. The legend associated with Navratri speaks about the great battle that took place between the powerful demon Mahishasur and goddess Durga. Mahishasur was blessed with immortality by Lord Brahma under one condition, that the powerful Mahishasur could be defeated only by a woman. Armed with the blessing of immortality and confidence, Mahishasur attacked the Trilok, that is, earth, heaven, and hell. Since only a woman could defeat him, even the Devtas didn't stand a chance against him. The worried Devtas prayed to Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva to help them defeat their worst enemy. Looking at the helpless Devtas, Lord Vishnu took the decision to create a woman to defeat Mahishasur. Then Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma put all their powers together in the woman Lord Vishnu had created to demolish Mahishasur. It is believed that Goddess Durga is a reincarnation of Goddess Parvati, who is the wife of Lord Shiva. Shakti, another avatar of Goddess Parvati, is the goddess of power that runs through the universe. After the 3 powerful gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, that is Shiva, created Goddess Durga, she fought with Mahishasur for 9 long days. It was a fight that shook the Trilok, that is earth, heaven, and hell. During the fight, the clever Mahishasur kept changing his form to confuse his opponent, Goddess Durga. Ultimately, when the demon took the form of a buffalo, the Goddess Durga pierced his chest with her Trishul, killing him instantly. In this way, Goddess Durga marked the victory of good over evil. Navratri also marks the beginning of the festival season in India, which is followed by Dussehra, Diwali, and Bhai Dooj. Now, let me tell you about the 9 forms of Goddess Durga. On the occasion of the Navratri, the 9 forms of Goddess Durga are worshipped, which are collectively known as Navdurga. Each day of the Navratri is dedicated to an incarnation of Ma Durga. The first day is for Mata Shailputri, then Ma Brahmacharini, माँ चंद्रघंटा, माँ कुष्मांडा, स्कंद माता, कात्यायनी माता, माँ कालरात्रि, माँ Mahagauri, and माँ Siddhidatri on the ninth day. Each form of Ma Durga is also associated with a specific color and has a specific meaning. Wearing these colors on the specific days of the Navratri is considered auspicious. Now, I will tell you the significance of each color of Ma Durga, starting with day 1. The color for day 1 is yellow. The festival of Navratri begins with the worship of the form of goddess Durga, which is Mata Shailputri, the daughter of the mountains. The day is associated with yellow color, which is said to bring brightness, happiness, and cheer in our lives. Ma Shailputri also symbolizes Mother Nature. As per Hindu religious text, she was born after goddess Sati self-immolated. Hence, she is also known as Parvati. Now, coming to day 2, the color for the second day is green. The second day of Navratri is for the invocation of goddess Brahmacharini. This day is devoted to the color green, which is associated with renewal, nature, and energy. Wearing this color on the second day of Navratri brings growth, harmony, and fresh energy into life. The second form of Ma Durga is also believed to govern Lord Mangal, who is the provider of all fortunes. Now, coming to day 3. The color for the third day is grey. The third day is dedicated to the third form of goddess Durga, known as Mata Chandraghanta. The Devi carries the half moon on her forehead and her favorite color is grey. Chandraghanta Mata is referred to as the married form of Devi Parvati. This is a dark hue and often associated with negativity, but grey also symbolizes zeal and determination to destroy evil. Now, coming to day 4th. The color for the fourth day is orange. The fourth day is dedicated to goddess Kushmanda. Credited with creating the world with her divine smile, she is also referred to as the smiling goddess. That's the reason she is associated with the cheerful color orange. This color represents brightness, happiness, and positive energy. Now, coming to day 5, the color for the fifth day is white. Skand Mata is the fifth form of goddess Durga that is seen holding Lord Kartikeya in her right arm. Worshipping this form of the Devi also gives the benefit of worshipping Lord Kartikeya. If you want to get more blessings from the deity, then wear a white color attire on this day, which represents purity, peace, and meditation. Now coming to day 6, the color for this day is red. The sixth form of goddess Durga is called Katyayani. She is the most powerful form of goddess Durga. So she is also hailed as the warrior goddess or Bhadrakali. Being one of the fiercest form of goddess Durga, she is represented by the color red. The color represents the anger of the goddess towards the enemies and fearlessness. Now coming to day 7. The color for this day is royal blue. Devi Kalratri is the seventh avatar of Navdurga. The word Kalratri means the one who is the death of Kal, and over here it is referred to as death. The Devi's immense power is represented by the dark blue color. This form of goddess Durga is believed to be the destroyer of all demons and has a dark complexion and a fearless posture. The royal blue color associated with this form symbolizes immense power. Now, coming to day 8, the color for the 8th day is pink. The 8th day is dedicated to goddess Mahagauri. This form of goddess Durga has the power to fulfill all the desires of her devotees. The one who worships this form of the Devi gets relief from all the sufferings in life. This day is associated with pink color, which represents hope, self-refinement, and social upliftment. Now, coming to the last day, that is day 9. The color for this day is purple. The last day of Navratri is all about worshipping goddess Siddhidatri. The name is made up of two words, Siddhi, which means supernatural power, and Datri, it means the awarder. This form of the Devi is a giver of knowledge and helps you to achieve your aspirations. Hence, the day is associated with the color purple, which represents ambition and power. So, these were the 9 colors associated with the 9 forms of Devi Durga. That's all for now. I hope you liked this video. If you really liked this video, then subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.